Alright, so I'm just going to show you very quickly how to operate the light ring. So it's quite easy. Obviously turn on the power to the light ring. It's obviously there's 144 LEDs here, so it's quite intense. What I'll do is, there's 4 quadrants on this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I've turned the 4 quadrants off. So the control that you have is, you can turn the quadrants on, and then you also, so you can sort of illuminate from a side. So if you have a sample, you can obviously change this sort of direction of lighting to try and emphasize a certain feature, or help you see the object under analysis. So you can see that it's quite easy just to turn these off. And then the other part is, I'm just going to turn down the intensity a little bit. So I've turned it off altogether now, and now I'll turn the intensity back on again. And then what I'll do is I'll turn some quadrants off. In fact, I'll turn this one on, and then I'll turn the intensity down on this one. So you can see you've got some quite nice control there. So we have 4 quadrants, each one of which can be turned on or off in any combination. And then you also have the control of intensity of the light ring as well. So quite a simple device really. So I will turn it off, turn it off, turn it off. And in a second part of this video, I'll show you how to actually attach it to the microscope as well. Okay, thanks very much. It's worth noting that we have these 3 thumb screws around the edges, and these 3 thumb screws allow us to widen or contract the ring around which we're trying to fix. So I have a binocular microscope here. What I'll do is an inspection microscope, and I'm just going to fit this on. So, alright, so what I'll do is I'll take this and I'll fit it onto here. Alright, so I've got the light ring on there. Let's put something under there, just inspect. And that's it. We've installed it, so it only takes a few, let's say, less than a minute to actually install that light ring. Alright, so we're just going to talk about the diameters of microscopes this will fit. So as I say, there's three thumb screws around the edge, and by twisting these in and out, you can widen or narrow the diameter on which you're sort of fitting. So the diameter across here is 61, bordering on 62 millimeters. So that's really your maximum diameter, so that will fit inspection microscopes like this, and I'd have to twist that in. I have to twist the thumb screws in to grip it. So what I'll do now is to show you what's this kind of narrowest diameter that you can deal with. You can see that comes in quite considerably. So you can see it's actually quite extremely narrow. So I'll just have a quick look at that. I would suggest you could grip something that's round about just under 25 millimeters. I think well, so yeah, you can grip something that's realistically the diameter of it, or the radius at least, could be about 12 millimeters, the diameter about 24 millimeters. So it really comes very narrow, and that's, to be frank with you, much smaller than I can think of most microscopes. So you can see there's quite a lot of adaptability in terms of we can screw these thumb screws in and out, and you can take care of a whole range of microscopes. Okay, thanks very much.